morning children, I am Pammi ma'am and this is your drawing class. So for that all of you take out your drawing book, pencil, eraser, some watercolor that already you have at home, some brushes and draw with me. Now children, all of you take scale and pencil and make a margin. From all the four sides. Like this. And then after, inside the margin drawing area, here you can draw with free hand scenery. I am drawing tree, the stem of tree. Like this, you can draw. Very easy to draw the trees. With free hand, you can draw it. There is a two-person on the way. Like this, you can choose any scenery and draw with your free hand. After sketching children, now the time to paint our scenery. For that you take a little water with flat brush and wet your area, sky area. There you want to put color, sky color. I am wetting this area because color will mix nicely in this area. This is a tip. You can also do it. And then after you take color, sky color. If you have, then okay. If you don't have, then take blue, little bit blue color and white color and mix it and make sky color. And then after do with that. I am taking flat color to color the sky. And like this, you can mix it in the sky. Now children, I have completed our sky area and then after now the turn to complete our path area. Again you have to wet your path area with water to mix the color nicely and then after take brown color to paint this path area. Now let it dry and then after all of you take round shape brush and light green color to color land area. Like this you can color your land area. Now children, time to make our land full with grasses, green grasses. But how you can do it? For this, you can make your land colorful. First you take light color. Light color means yellow color. Then after light green color. Then after dark green color to show the shading, and at last black color. And take round brush and press it like this to make the points of grasses. And take thick color, and then after you press like a stamp on your drawing to focus your grasses like this. See here, our land is also ready with grasses. Now after this, time to make the very beautiful part, that is our trees. And for this, first you have to make a dark brown color. How you can make it? Take a little of brown color and little bit black color. Do it mix, and then with round brush you can with free hand do it draw. Children, now the time to paint our leaf. For that, you take flat brush and light yellow color and do like this. Then after take light green color, and again you have to spread over the yellow color. Then take dark green color and at last take black color, and with a straight brush you can do it. Point out the shading. Now the turn to paint our flowerful tree. For this, again you have to spread yellow color first. Then after take orange color, then after take red color, to point out our flowers. At last you take white color to give the shadings. Now children see almost simply our completed. After completing the trees, we have to highlight the path also. Like this. Then after, now the turn to show the person walking in this beautiful path. For this take round shape, number 4 brush, show the head with black color and shirt with any bright color. Like this, you can make person to walk on this beautiful path. At last, now finish your drawing, painting with outlining. Take black color to outline our margin like this. Then after, take a flat brush to fill the whole margin with black color. Nicely you can fill black color in all sides of border. Now after completing the border, see our drawing. Children, this is your assignment also. You have to do it in your drawing box.